Procrastination re-understood. Procrastination is not laziness. It's not a lack of discipline or motivation. Procrastination is a coping behavior. It's a learned response to pressure, emotional discomfort, uncertainty, and overload. When a task threatens our sense of competence, safety, or self-worth, the brain looks for fast relief, and avoidance becomes the easiest option. This video isn't about fighting procrastination. It's about understanding it and replacing it with healthier ways of coping. Here's the key shift. Procrastination is a habit, not an identity. You're not a procrastinator. You're a person whose brain has learned a response under stress. In daily life, procrastination shows up as delaying important work, preparing endlessly instead of starting, waiting for motivation, feeling mentally busy but stuck. The truth is, we're not avoiding tasks. We're avoiding feelings, fear, pressure, self-doubt, fatigue, or anticipated failure. One major reason is decision fatigue. Vague tasks overload the brain. Work on the project hides many questions. Where do I start? How good is good enough? What if I fail? So don't decide everything. Decide only the next smallest step. Not, I must finish today. But, I'll start for 5 minutes. Strategy 1: Shrink tasks to emotional size. Big tasks feel unsafe. Small starts feel possible. Strategy 2: Change your self-talk. Not, I always mess up. But, I'm overwhelmed, not incapable. Even 20 focused minutes can save a day. Strategy 3: Rewire the reward system. Avoidance gives relief, so action needs reward too. Acknowledge effort. Celebrate showing up. Procrastination reflects how we cope with stress. Avoidant coping delays and escapes. Emotion-focused coping overthinks. Problem-focused coping takes small, clear action. Meaning-focused coping connects effort to growth. The most effective approach blends problem-focused and meaning-focused coping. Instead of asking, how do I avoid discomfort? Ask, what small action aligns with who I want to become? Procrastination is not an enemy. It's a signal asking for clarity, safety, and wiser coping. Start small. Support yourself through discomfort. Let progress, not perfection, lead the way, Like, follow and subscribe to Self-Heal for more insights on emotional healing, mindful action, and personal growth.